Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing to you how to remove your wrinkles problem at home and instantly you get a glowing face. So let's start how to make this face mask. At first I take lemon juice, gram flour, yogurt. So this is a mixing bowl to make these ingredients properly. At first I take 2 tablespoons of gram flour. Break all the plums in a gram flour inside it. Now take it yogurt 2 tablespoons. Take lemon juice 2 tablespoons. Lemon juice take 1 tablespoon. Now mix it. Mix it properly and make a paste in not thick, it's a smooth paste. Gram flour helps to remove your wrinkles and get your skin tightened and also remove your acne spots, dark spots and instant glowing your skin. And yogurt helps to remove your black spots and blackheads problem and get your skin instantly glowing. Friends, use this face mask before going to your shower and use this face mask two times in a week. This face mask is really good. You can apply this face mask full of your body to get your skin glowing and also you remove your wrinkles. Use this face mask and leave it 15 minutes. After 15 minutes later, wet your hands and little bit scrub and then wash with cold water. Repeat this face mask 2 times in a week. Then you get an instant glowing face and also remove your wrinkles problem. So friends, this is my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel.